The Snow Thief by Alice Hemming and NICOLA SLATER. The Snow Thief. Where has all the grass gone, bird? Why is it so white and cold? The grass hasn't gone anywhere, squirrel. Snow fell from the sky and covered it all up. But why, bird, why? Because it sometimes snows in wintertime, and snow can be fun. Come and see. No, thank you, bird. I'll stay in my tree and keep warm. Later, bird, bird, bird. Something white and round just flew into my tree. It's a snowball, squirrel. Not do it. Why would you do that? Just for fun. A snowball fight. Go on, try it. Throw back one at me. Okay. It's a bit cold. Ha ha! This is fun, bird. I'm coming down. I love the snow now. Let's catch snowflakes. Did you know that every single snowflake is different shape, squirrel? They are not though. Are they, bird? They are all small white blobs. Bird, there is smoke coming out of my mouth. Is it because I ate a snowflake? No, squirrel. It's just your breath. You can see it in the air when it's really cold. Ha! So you can, huh? Whoops! Why has this puddle gotten all sleepy, word? It's frozen solid, squirrel. You can skate on it if you like. Like this? I'm great at skating. I can skate on one leg. I can jump. Eek. Whoops. Whoosh. Woohoo. Help, bird, help. Whoops. Sorry. Bird? Bird! What is it, squirrel? I skated onto this other squirrel. And I said sorry, but it didn't say anything back. How rude. And bird, I hit 8 hazelnuts right in the spot. And they are not here anymore. This squirrel didn't take your nuts. How can you be sure? It isn't real. It's just a snow squirrel. Just a snow squirrel? Made of snow? I see. The next day. Is everything okay, squirrel? I have been thinking about the other squirrel. The snow squirrel? Yes. If it didn't take my hazelnuts, then where did they go? It couldn't have taken your hazelnuts. It wasn't a real squirrel. It was just made of snows, remember? Just a snow squirrel? Of course, silly me. The next morning, can't wait to do some more playing in the snow. Maybe this time I'll surprise Bird with a snowball. But then, where did the snow go? Bird! Bird! It's happened again. The snow has disappeared, just like the leaves did. But this time, there really is a snow thief, and I know exactly who it is. Come with me, and I'll show you. See, bird? I knew that the snow squirrel was up to no good. It disappeared in the middle of the night and took all the snow. But in its rush, the snow thief forgot one thing. My hazelnuts! In this story, Squirrel has lot of questions and concerns. But why But why? Squirrel is confused about why it snows in the first place. Snow forms when tiny ice crystals in the clouds stick together, become heavy, and fall to the ground as snowflakes. Bird explains that it snows because it's winter. It's true that it does snow when it gets cold enough, below 35 Fahrenheit, although that could be in autumn or in even in the spring. Why is it white everywhere? Don't tell squirrel, but snow isn't actually white. The ice crystals that form snowflakes are clear and colorless, but they are full of different surface angles which bounce light all over the place. When sunlight hits them, some light passes through, but a lot of light is reflected back at us. When the whole color spectrum is reflected like this, we see it as white. I'm great at skating. Squirrel has fun sliding on a puddle. But frozen water can be dangerous to play on. To be safe, save your skating for ice rinks. They are all small white blobs. Squirrel didn't believe that snowflakes are all different shapes. But the bird was right again. Snowflakes are beautiful. If you look at them under a microscope or even on your glove, you will see there are many different shapes and patterns. This is because of the way they are formed. Those ice crystals sticking together and small changes in the temperature of the air as they fall. Bird, there is smoke coming out of my mouth. As Bird explains, it's not smoke, it's just squirrel's breath. Our breath contains a small amount of water vapor. This normally leaves our mouth in the form of gas, which we can't see. When it gets cold enough, the vapor turns into tiny droplets of liquid and ice, which we can see. And Squirrel had one more big worry. I hid 8 hazelnuts right in the spot, and they are not here anymore. As we know, there was no real snow thief in this book. The snow just melted away because it got warmer again. But what about the hazelnuts? Where were they hiding? Look closely. Did you spot them?